Oh, it's gonna do it, guys. Go, go, go. All right, guys, Steve here, Shen. I'm with the squash pumpkin again. Let's try to make another video. The battery ain't dead. See where we could go on a little adventure with this sucker. Just come along. What the hell? Now my body's scraped up good. Woo, it's windy. Hope you can hear me. Hill climb. Woo. This thing's so slow. I don't think it could get any air. Boy, no air for this guy. Oh, it did get air. See if we can get some air. Far away. Oh, hope I got it. Squash man. I'm squashing up the squash man. Let's see if she can get some air. Oh, she's like a slug. Slug. Oh, she got some lift. See if she can climb up this hill here. It's steep. Oh yeah, she got the power. Oh! And some leaf litter. Oh, thing don't get no lift. Just a little bounce. Oh, just barely off the ground. Let me check her out. I knew something was stuck in it. I knew I felt some stiction. Maybe now she'll get some air. Oh yeah, she's a little faster. Come on, squash man, do your stuff. Woohoo! She got a little air. Maybe if I come from way over here on this cement tar and just push it off a little bit. Just a little bit. I think I could get some air. I'm gonna do from way back there. A runner. Runner, runner, runner. Squash fan attempting to get some lift. Oh, she got like 6 inches. She looks nice. She just barely lifted off the ground there. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Squash man, lift number 2. That's it for her. She ain't doing nothing. Go somewhere else. I like this hill climb here. Pretty steep hill. Steep, but getting all filled up with leaves. Oh, I see something here. Oh, the suspension. It's like a spring wobbling all over the place. Oh! Climb's good. Oh, what a jump that was! Probably never be able to hit it again. Nope. Alright, one more time. Oh, never could do it twice. It always happens. That's a nice little jump. This looks like it's getting dead now. Let's see how hot this motor is. I've been using it for a while on the grass. That's why it don't handle good, because the battery's up high. I'm running a 5200. The motor feels alright. It's just a little warm. Still smoking the tires. The LiPo cutoff didn't go off yet. And I'll try one more thing with this guy before we end this video. Try to go up this hill here. It's pretty high. I don't know if I should do this. First we'll try the easier way. Right here. It's 4-wheel drive. I have anti-wear grease in this sucker. It pulls good. Made it up this. I don't know if it could make it up that. Let's try. I'm gonna go slow. Ooh, there's big rocks. I don't know if this could handle it. I think I'll have to go up this side here. Let me get out of here. I got a branch in me. Come on, get the hell out. Up here, maybe. Holy smoke. It's gonna do it, guys. Go, go, go. Holy smokes. This is pretty steep. Check that out. What came up there? Told you I'd bring you on an adventure. Jump some logs, roots. This is my old spot here. She's still got some kick to her. I just messed up my old spot here. This spot used to be awesome. It was solid rock, and then they built this over it. Just look at my old videos, and they took everything away and ruined it. Now it's all like, you just throw junk here and boulders and crap. It used to be so good. Oh well. There's the old tank. Brian was asking about the tank. There she is. Still in the fence they had to put up because everyone vandalized it. In my old videos there was no fence, but it's still here. This spot's so rocky now, all in here. We could use like little crawlers in it. That's what it's good for, the little 1/24 crawlers. Let me see if I can get a better picture of this tank. Me and this tank go back a long ways. There it is. Anyhow, are the tires slipping on the wheels on this thing? Or is their tires just so hard it's smoking them? No, it's just smoking them. Now this place where I used to run is just a wasteland of junk. It's a shame. Look at it. Piled up crap. Anyhow guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, this little adventure. Holy smokes, is that 11 minutes long? Later guys, I'm going back to the car. Got a long walk. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little adventure with the squash van, aka Squash Pumpkin. Subscribe, leave comments, do all the good stuff. I don't even know if you'll hear me with the wind, but I'll see you next time. Later.